Let's get into some of our vibe checks, Sozzi. I went first with my thoughts, so I'll let you go first. What was the vibe that you got from this call?
Yeah, you're a good guy, Brad. I always, you know what? I just do these so I can sit and hang out with you at about 6:45 midweek. But my vibe is this. It's a zero. And if we were able to show that this arrow was falling off the chart and like we were able to like show this meter shaking on the screen, that was it. If you are a bull in Tesla, you are going to bed tonight at some point thinking, Elon gave me a warning on profit margins. Elon gave me a warning on production. And then I think we have an Elon that sounded, I'll say it, I dragged on Twitter, I don't really care. That sounded unprepared for this earnings call. More unprepared than I think he usually is. Keep in mind, this is a guy running SpaceX, running a company trying to put chips inside people's brains, and then also running Tesla. Just sounded unprepared. I don't want to say much to investors, and I think it's disappointing. It's a big fat zero for me.
Yeah, chips and brains. I don't know. I need to go back and watch a couple episodes of Black. I don't know too many people that are immediately jump to sign up for that beta test. Even though we do know full self-driving sounds like it's in good shape here. I'm going to go to my vibe very briefly here. I gave this a 1 out of 5. And for a few reasons. As we were starting to hear, and ultimately the questions that did come in, really focusing around what Cybertruck, what the future models would look like for this company. Elon had said something about future models, how they envision it. They're calling it Project Robo, referring to it internally as Robotaxi. So that interesting, really didn't get too much color there, which is what investors were looking for. And then on the Cybertruck front, which is another top question that came in from retail investors and institutional investors alike. Actually, it was the number one question from retail investors. What would Cybertruck pricing and specs updates look like? And all they had to say was, oh yeah, end of Q3. That's when we'll give it a little more updates there. And guess what, guys? It's a Hall of Fame product. You got a Hall of Fame player that they're looking to put in the game with no high school stats to show, with no college stats to show. We don't even know. We just know that the window could.
It's just going to be great, Brad.
If you throw something hard enough at it.
Just great. It's got square windows and I don't know. It's electric. It looks cool and big tires. Yeah, real cool. Real cool.